on, guys? So back with another video. So my Ray-Ban Metas after 1 month of use. What do I think of these things so far? For me personally, I really like them. I think these are awesome for what they are for social media. I use mine mainly for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The 1 to 3 minute video it allows you is perfect because 3 minutes is maximum that you can use. The only problem I have with them is that they don't give you like an indicator when your time is about to run out. You know, like maybe like flash a few seconds to let you know, hey, you only got so much time left. But they don't do any of that, so you gotta kind of keep track in your head or look at your watch and try to see where you start and where you're finishing. That's kind of the thing that I don't like about it. But other than that though, these are pretty solid for social media as far as shorts, reels, TikTok. I personally would not try to do a full-length video on YouTube just using these because of the aspect ratio of the glasses. Not so much the 2K quality, but the aspect ratio. You know, it's mainly for like 9:16, where YouTube is 16:9 that you're looking at now, full length. And when you try to crop in on these, to me, it just looks really pixelated. You could do it and probably get away with it, but I personally am not gonna do it. I'm fine just using it for social media. For me, if I need to do anything else as far as being out, I can use this camera or my iPhone 17 Pro Max or any variety of action cameras that I have, like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. So I have a bunch of different things that I can use to do YouTube videos. I use this mainly as behind the scenes to show on shorts or to show on TikTok, and it's been working out perfect. So what I'm gonna do right now is show you guys a compilation of videos that I shot throughout this week, last week, and I'll let you guys see the quality of it, and then I'm gonna crop in some where you can see the difference between it being in a 9:16 aspect ratio and a 16:9. Here we go. So guys, in conclusion for me, these are solid glasses. I don't see myself upgrading to the 2nd gen version of these, and that's because the aspect ratio is basically the same. They improved from 2K to 3K, cool, but it's still 9:16. So until they go to a 16:9, in which I'm hoping Google or Apple, whenever they come out with their version, makes a 16:9, then it's really like, okay, I can just take these only and not even have to worry about taking anything else with me and just use these to shoot like the main video or the B-roll to the video, versus this is like C or D-roll while you're shooting other cameras, you know, to get it for your main video, in my opinion. Now, everybody's different. You know, it's your channel, do what you do, it's your video, do what you do with it. But for me personally, I just see them as TikTok, shorts, reels, YouTube type of content. I don't see it anything past that, which is fine for what I paid for it. And I've definitely got my money out of it from TikTok and from here on YouTube. So I'm completely happy with it. You know, the fact that it has a display in there and everything, that's cool, but that works where it's a country that supports Meta AI. Colombia here in South America, it's hit or miss. Some days it works fine. Most days it doesn't work at all. So I don't even rely on using AI at all when it comes to these glasses. I just use it as shades, photo, and video camera. That's it. I don't really try to do anything else other than that because it's too iffy. If I wake up one morning and it works, great. If I wake up and it doesn't work, great. I wasn't expecting it to, okay? But that's it for now, guys. Hey, I hope this information helps people out. But these are really good glasses. I think I paid $350 for mine. I had them ordered on Amazon, and they do deliver them here in South America. But these are not sold here because they're not technically supported here. So just know that. That's the one thing I want to reiterate to you guys. If you are a traveler and you plan on using these when you travel, pay attention to which country, or go to Meta's website and look at which countries support these glasses, and most of them don't. If I'm not mistaken, they have 22 listed as supported countries, and most of the ones that they have listed, like here in Colombia, they're not really supported. So know that going in. But if you're primarily going to be in the US or be in a country where they are supported, these are going to work awesome for you. Okay, guys? So that's it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace.